Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Bridget here. Today I'm just going to do a very simple dessert, a milk sweet made with milk powder and desiccated coconut. There's no cooking involved, so this is something like cooking without fire. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. We need like 1 cup of milk powder, 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, and a few nuts if you want for garnishing, and like 4 tablespoons or like a quarter cup of milk to bind it all together. Just begin. I'll start by adding 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut in this bowl. Now to this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. You don't have to make it very sweet, so just 2 tablespoons will do. Now to this I'm adding 1.5 cups of milk powder. And now mix this all well together. Mix it all well. No need to add anything else. Now I'm going to add in some milk, maybe around half a cup. You just have to add very little milk because we don't want it to become too, the mixture shouldn't be too watery. Now I'm going to use my fingers and knead it into a soft dough. Just bring it all together. And you can see it's becoming like a soft, pliable dough. As I said, if it's too watery, just add some more milk powder. But the secret is that add very little milk so that you don't have to get a very soft dough. So now that our dough is ready, I'm going to put it into this dish which is lined with butter paper and press it down. You can use a spoon to press it down. We'll cut it into squares and then leave it in the fridge for a few hours till it becomes firm. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's very easy. And when you're stuck for something to do, this is an easy recipe for you to try out. Thank you for watching. Do like and share this video if you liked it, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.